Hey there, Money Info Dad fans. In today's video, we're going to dive into the exciting world of selling stock photos online. Picture this: you're out and about, snapping some fantastic shots with your camera, and suddenly, you realize you could be making money from your photography skills. That's right, folks. Selling stock photos online is a fantastic way to earn some extra cash on the side. But how do you get started? It's simple. First, find a reputable stock photo website like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Sign up, upload your best shots, and watch the money roll in as people purchase your photos for their projects. Remember, the key to success in the stock photo game is to be unique and creative. Capture those eye-catching moments that'll make your photos stand out from the crowd. So, grab your camera, get out there, and start snapping. That's it for today's YouTube short, Money Info Dad fans. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on earning extra money on the side. Happy snapping!